Writing a private school application essay or personal statement is an exciting opportunity to showcase your child's unique qualities, interests, and experiences. To craft a compelling essay, start by having your child reflect on their passions, achievements, and personal growth. Encourage them to brainstorm ideas and make a list of potential topics that resonate with their story. Help your child create an outline that includes an engaging introduction, a strong thesis statement, and well organized body paragraphs. Each paragraph should focus on a specific aspect of their experiences or character while using clear, concise language. Encourage your child to use specific examples and anecdotes from their life to make their essay more vivid and memorable. As they draft their essay, remind your child to stay authentic and true to themselves. Admissions committees are looking for genuine insight into who your child is and what they can contribute to the school community. Encourage your child to revise and refine their essay multiple times to ensure it is polished and well structured. Finally, have your child proofread their essay carefully for grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. A polished essay demonstrates attention to detail and strong writing skills, both essential for success in a private school environment. For a more detailed and thorough exploration of this topic, be sure to click the link in the description below. Thank you for watching our video, and as always, we wish you the best of luck in your private school application journey, and we are always here to help.